From the perspective of the final battery product, the battery formed by lamination has the advantages of higher battery energy density, more stable internal structure, higher safety and longer cycle life. First, higher battery energy density. The winding has an arc at the corner, and the space utilization rate is lower than that of the lamination. And the lamination can make full use of the corner space of the battery, or under the design of the same volume of cells. The energy density of the cells formed by lamination is higher. Second, more stable internal structure during the cycle of the battery. With the insertion of lithium ions, both the positive and negative plates will expand, affected by the inconsistency of the internal stress of the inner and outer layers at the winding corners. The wound battery will undergo wave-like deformation. The wavy deformation will cause the interface of the battery to deteriorate. The current distribution is uneven, and the internal structure of the battery is accelerated. Laminated batteries do not have the problem of uneven stress in the corners. During the reciprocating use of the batteries, the expansion force of each layer is similar, so the laminated batteries can keep the interface flat. Third, higher safety. The coating material will be greatly bent and deformed after the pole pieces at the lower ends of the winding are bent, and powder drop and burrs are prone to occur at the bending point. In severe cases, it will cause an internal short circuit in the battery and cause thermal runaway. In addition, the tension of the pole piece and the diaphragm is prone to unevenness, resulting in the expansion and contraction of the wrinkled pole piece, and the stretching of the diaphragm will lead to the deformation of the cell. The laminated battery is evenly stressed. There is no bending problem at both ends, and the battery safety is higher. Fourth, longer cycle life. As mentioned above, the number of tabs of the laminated battery is twice that of the winding, and the more the number of tabs, the shorter the electron transmission distance and the smaller the resistance. So the internal resistance of the laminated battery can be reduced more than 10%. The battery produces less heat, and the service life is longer than that of the wound battery. The winding is prone to problems such as deformation and expansion, which affect the battery attenuation performance. Therefore, under the same design, the cyclic expansion of the laminations is lower and the cycle life is longer. Guangdong Yixinfeng Company has 20 years of experience in the field of new energy lithium equipment and is committed to the development, production and sales of key equipment for laminated batteries. The main products are laser die cutting machine, hardware die cutting machine, laminating machine, cutting and stacking integrated machine and other core production section equipment. Through continuous improvement of technical innovation capacity, service capacity for the good development of lithium battery industry to make a more positive contribution.